Hey guys, I'm here at Lindsay Drive Test Center. I'm going to show you another G test route. So I'm here in a parking lot and leaving from here. So before leaving, give left signal. Check both sides, right and left. Watch for pedestrian. No need to give acceleration. Just little so that your car can move. From here, they will ask you to turn right. So check both sides, right, left, right. One is safe to do, finish your turn. So speed limit on this street is not mentioned, so you can drive at 45 or 40, because if you will go more faster than that, you're going to lose control. At stop sign, they will ask you to turn right. So right signal on, 1 car distance. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Before brake, you have to check your rear view mirror. Keep 1 car distance. We will come to a complete stop. Count 3 seconds. Now creep up or inch up. When it's safe to do, then you will finish your turn. So speed limit on this street is a Kent Street. So speed limit here is not mentioned, so you can drive at 50. Examiner will ask you to do the lane change to the left. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and do lane change to the left when it's safe to do. If you're able to do the lane change, you have to do it. If you're not, don't try to attempt that. Switch lane to the right when it's safe to do. So take your time and do the lane change nicely. They will ask you to do the lane change again. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and do the lane change. Speed limit is 50 here. Always go at the speed that you can control the car. Speed limit is 50 here. At upcoming traffic light, they will ask you to turn left. So you have to give left signal and you have to come to the left lane. 1 car distance. Since we have advanced green, so we will finish our turn. So speed limit is 50 here, so we will drive at 50. While driving, we have to keep 3 to 4 car distance. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. At upcoming traffic, examiner will ask you to turn left. So if this lane is fully booked, then you can switch lane from the yellow lane, because we have a broken lane, so we can do the lane change from here. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and we will do the lane change. Complete stop before white line. Before brake, always check your rear view mirror. Keep checking, keep scanning both sides. So light is green, scan both sides before moving. Check for the blind spot on the left side for pedestrian. Speed limit is maximum 40 here, so you have to drive at 40. So again there is a sign for 40. Continue driving at 40. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Don't go above the limit. From here I can see there is a sign for 50, but I will not increase my speed until I reach to that sign. So now it says maximum 50, I will go at 50, and here is a left turn. Examiner will ask you to turn left, so no need to speed up so much. Check your left side blind spot and finish your turn. We are at Joseph Street now. Speed limit is not posted, so we will drive at 50. At upcoming traffic light, examiner will ask you to turn right, so you will give signal once you're near. So I'm gonna give signal from here. So the light turns to yellow. I'm gonna slow down and stop before white line. Mirror signal, right signal is on. I'm checking my right side blind spot and finish my turn. Here examiner will say switch lane to the left when it's safe to do. So mirror, signal, blind spot, do the lane change. Speed limit is 50. We are on Kent Street right now. Scan both sides. Whenever you pass any green light, you have to scan both sides. So here examiner will ask you to do the lane change. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and they will say we have to turn left at the traffic light. So we'll check our left side blind spot, no pedestrian over there, and finish your turn. No need to speed up here, because if you will speed up, you're gonna lose control because it's a kind of a downhill. Speed limit is 50 here again. Both hands at 9-3 position. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So speed limit is 50 here. When you stop behind any vehicle, it's 1 car distance. So we'll come to a complete stop. Count 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Creep up. Right signal. Complete stop. 3-second wait. 1, 2, 3, and you can finish your turn. So this is the highway now. So we have to go at 80. So you have to speed up quick. Make sure that you will hit 80. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So it's highway 35. At upcoming traffic light, examiner will say switch lane to the right and who will take exit. So we have to give signal. Check your right side blind spot. come to the right lane and start slowing down. So 20 is a recommended speed, so you can go at 20, bring your car at 20. So we have a yield sign here, so we have to check at the left if there is any car or not. So it's a 80 here, but you can go at 70 and then examiner will say do the lane change to the left, so you will do the lane change to the left. So here have a good control on the car first and then do the lane change to the right and watch for the speed sign because it says 60 begin, so mirror signal blind spot. Scan both sides. Whenever you pass any green light, you have to scan both sides. Now I can see that there is a speed limit is 50, so I will control my car at 50. It's kind of a downhill, so no need to give so much acceleration, otherwise you will lose control. Scan both sides again. So examiner will say turn right at the upcoming street. So we have to slow down, check your right side blind spot and finish your turn. Again, the speed limit is not posted here. You can drive at 40, 45, not more than that, because otherwise you will lose control. Because the road is very bumpy here. And then examiner will say turn left to the plaza. So you will give left signal, check your left side blind spot and finish your turn. And then they will say turn right. Right signal, check your right side blind spot and you can go. And then they will say turn left, left signal on, check your left side blind spot and do the parking. So we'll just do the front end on left side, so finish your parking. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.